need to be blunt before, because Dr. Bawumia, he's the cause of all these things.
Oh, that's too loud.
It is once I am for Dr. Bawumia do obey or come.
He's the cause.
He's the cause.
I said you on the Kennedy inquest interview.
You see,
because I interviewed to
what I am saying that Dr. Bawumia, President John Mahama, Kojo Bonsu ni jinai.
Yeah.
Kojo Bonsu yede, wanya ambassador.
Yeah, China.
Professor Joshua Alabi ni jinai.
Yeah. Joshua Alabi go or opposition yeah.
Say on the chairman of GCB.
Okay.
On a President John Mahama money year, you can say a campaign chairman.
Yeah, for campaign chairman, yes. A hand number was yes.
Me papa Kwabena Agyapong.
Honestly, he's working or any good human that day.
Omuni standing you.
In fact, Kwabena Agyapong double crown put the year man be Asante Bediatuo minister.
Exactly.
Mahama be year man be Asante Bediatuo minister.
That is leadership. Eduru baby omukeka wunya ye nya to aba ni wie ya ken omunyina
akamu abom.
John Mahama, that's leadership. John Mahama am found so be ba ofie no be solve our problem no.
Wow.
We look at the leadership. What is so be making noise?
There be.
Anka Dr. Bawumia, you don't even allow anybody. You yourself who are Kennedy Agyapong and ba. And then me nyina to fie. Ye bo ampese di ye bo tennis ye di agro. So the whole day,
ye resolve the issue.
Ye whole day ye go fie.
But just so much here.
Me sing share mu no and na ye fake.
Fake.
Oh.
Fake say. O ma share meeting and say Kennedy catch up.
I can't say meeting ni dey.
O mo quiet time out.
And I'm so the enter o cancer.
Sir.
Because Kennedy Agyapong him said Dr. Bawumia solve certain things that was solve around him. It went to me ma. And no be na me can say a fake no because the Kennedy Agyapong beka ye no amie hu say enyoma hyenimu enti wu kosia na ti na me ka cho say san hyemu no mkosia na Akufo Addo no na ye fake ensi
ade che me no be argument by ebam.
You see, the point is that ye betena ha ye nka de ebema why comfortable
on the
omuntimi nka, but we will come and say the nuances of everything that ye who behind the scenes.
Last week ana Kennedy Bay interview now be can wasem ebe send question to the NPP. But now this week it has been chaotic. Because next meeting cost I think say me information say Alisa Hotel. Na premises one I'm ranting be flag and no more chant Ken must go. Ni nyana say Kennedy Agyapong Kweku Annan bre no. Party no pam on film. Every requirements na MP say omo parliament petition omo leadership. Dr. You are free the D-room, and Dr. Kingsley Ajiman so D-room. I think I'm here 5 or so. I'm petition minority leadership in parliament and say, I'm ba for military hospital. We Kennedy be can say me bri. Ebu amo ayi ni ho animtia. The minority no. Omo hwe no mu ni hujuma. Na sa petition no. Adabusiafo omo copy flag bearer Dr. Bawumia and of course General Secretary Justice Kojo Kyeremanteng. When say am no kasina na bi akasa fa ho ese o ma refer matter no ama the appropriate authority ya omo handle petition a sa group ri abai. But now Ken must go chant no. It was chaotic. We share screen so a the copy mu o premises no. Next meet you to the extent that Afenyo marking minority leader crumble bano. Na almost all money nko. Me no the grunt here. So every day one me gidi say o Ken say one what to me. What send one to NPP for full. But it looks like this week na shada nko yama party no. Minimum there. E go say
Dear
Edio. Doka humeso.
Emeya se party. Once they be make am se kofo party. Emeya se party na do baby adri.
What I do here?
No, emeya because
for the other party na do here.
Emeya.
Other party na do here.
Because nenye say na nka wo say eye.
Oh, okay.
But my catch you say turbulence, you know. It will not take a 4-year cycle to stop.
The 4 years near enough.
Maybe.
Hey.
It will not take just 2028 to resolve the issues.
In NPP.
You see, they are predicting, you can't say NDC, but we share NDC. NDC is more prepared and organized and will know how to manage these internal issues than what MPP is doing.
But NDC,
what I am saying is that
how do you say very well organized?
Whatever is happening, NDC is being cautious. And that is why wrestling is over here. Sir, Julius Debra, abafom. Because omukasa omuti party nuti Emeya.
Udiyaw.
Because you see, me who the way I'm in Kano, MPP ideals, no, values, no, the culture of MPP, no, a deviated.
Oh,
this used to be NDC. It's attitude.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So that time I say NDC for nya cratch for.
Buga.
It's NDC for na yes kind of gege yente na yet near the macho men na say for. Na NDC for so by. And na say MPP a cratch for party. The cratch for party kire say e kwanya ye fa so ye nyoma. The Kwabena Agyapong, the Kofos, the
Dr. Charana
Annan, when they are speaking, in what do she MPP party nankasano a foundation here to say a duchum. Patrick Buama, Collins Adumako, Kwabena Agyapong. That kind of conversation, communication, and no yet typical MPP nature of knowing how to manage issues despite disagreement. This was the MPP we knew. Once from day one, and I'm raising issue say, Yero say means a free parliament, parliament why ha. Once I've been very consistent about. Me catch you say. Yera Afenyo marking ne leadership and portray somebody or they parts ni boma or what's our command no.
Because you're not issue there for Afenyo marking.
I am saying say. She ye can leadership ni nyina aka hu.
So a leader.
Yes. From parliament there's no discipline. And about parts ni mu so there's no discipline.
Oh really?
Yes. Enti yenya obia I say chairman some papa mu sorry nse mu kasa na mu di nkoma bibi so mu betimi atemu mu se mu nyai
o fere kwaso be kasa
o fere obie na no kasa ono mo say chairman sa kasa o was a following no Afenyo marking apart from the oye nyina no most of them e no mu hwe ni din but o ye leader
of course
but hwe say sometimes I listen to his debate
on the floor of parliament.
I am I like him.
Yeah.
Makachro.
But I say Kojo obi so beka say they are numbers ni so one fast and they will not be heard.
Intelligent. I quite say na woka say you need to be a macho man to become a policeman.
Oh David.
Good.
David. Police dey dey inform macho man.
And I'm say imagine David I am a car. Me wan down for ya no ntia say. Wo dey me say imagine say Patrick Buama. Educhu and the leaders of the parliament.
e can go boom. To know we MPP member crowd now, so you be become now. Oh, sorry, was a big show sign. So, also, cast me a debate be a year as a big show sign. So, either be a leader radio.
And I may say, so one would difference now make.
Yeah.
Share the leadership and what NDC. They won't see carry himself.
Mahamadu.
Na hwe se ayi bie na no se okasa dia oka
Roxy Nelson da fia mekọ Mahamadu.
Wo de hwe de wo mu si carry himself eduru ba bi kra na eduru ama Mahamadu yarega first no nanka yese no se otimi ya timi tia
you command respect o
etimi kra tia Afenyo marking etimi ka se oye hwan
yeah
dia nko ano to that extent o men shede hu bi mpanyinsem
two leaders in parliament
say onu etimi ka se oye hwan ya na de bia onso kweso oye de share a communication no na language communication no a lot of gestures ekoso you may think say you are doing it because you have to shout but enyoma obi sorry na obi ka kire wo no uye de kwa ena de bia na say ena eye bibia ekoso no paint picture mo hu say mo hwe mo so called leader ene oba parliament did that way as compared to ye demeanor and posture now no we will not agree you are the president has called you but we are 275
and
you may think say a joke but you see it sounds a desperate
group
personal be what's all can be baby.
Could you say to be fair, President invited members of parliament?
You see, what I am saying is that is not even relevant because the president was always inviting
NDC for
MPP for then. Nana Akufo Addo
okay.
Odiomo koi.
What David?
No mun ko meeting. Caucus meeting ne pa MPs meeting no nsia wo mu.
Okay.
Omo the NDC for no koi. It is NDC abana president kono no mu kwa akosia. What's the big deal here? You see, in the parliament, you know, and we nyama conform at the minority side.
Wow.
Ena oba ahanensua. We don't have anybody holding forth.
I mean the party leadership nankasa.
Na party leadership, one leader.
Chairman then home.
And I'm say MPP say party one leader. Bodi.
Me fancy who near GFK.
And I'm say Bodi.
National chairman dey am say the home.
And I'm say Bodi one leader. It's JFK.
Dr. Bawumia.
And I'm say JFK mu buno. Mibusa. JFK MPP ni be nebu JFK.
Oh mu buno.
And I'm say MPP ni be fi abi ko te kasa ye.
Obi aka na metu.
JFK kasa na ye west.
Abronya crowd there no.
And I'm say JFK kasa na ye west. Okabu. Because me feel so young man. O party ni ye there. And a fi abi ko te. Even this guy Akogan.
Deputy communication director.
Recently otchere say there are certain discussion mo be and discuss bi.
And unattended.
We wie mo be and discuss sa dem ye wie o kan wie ye tro wie no. What is a communicators in kasa?
And MPP an kombu na nimtiara.
Na MPP one e kasa wo MPP. Party no one leader say me busa say one leader.
Dr. Bawumia na flag bearer.
Enti Dr. Bawumia show leadership. Men kan tell us dem. Me no one discuss sa dem no. Me no one discuss ya. Me hu say ono na afo aso. Ono na afo aso ma enkwadan kitinkiti bi ne mpanyifo bi o ma no ya. Wo de me se hwe sesei. Enkofo a oka Dr. Bawumia sema omo bedi di nkofo atemo ho.
Dr. Bawumia mfo aso kwadwo mpa.
Miss na. You see, let me be fair.
Communication, Dr. Bawumia.
I am saying that if I'm not able to talk to you and tell you to stop,
call me to order.
Then what are you talking about?
That's okay. If you don't call me to order, that's off aso.
Nancy. Nancy mian kasa. Minya penny. Honorable are you a fee? Father's Day. Valentina. If you're Schwarzenegger.
Yeah.
So on the obetro too.
Yeah.
So already.
Yeah.
Thank you, my father, who den. And then Father's Day. And your communication.
Of course.
What it means is that she has exposed the people behind Oye the Oye.
Afenyo matuasi. Afenyo underscore matuasi.
Hemi shame. Clearly, a child say, I come in chirimu.
All this while, I'm not going to
I come in chirimu. What you say? I don't have a problem. John Mahama, president, respectfully, or one conform with yes, I be any manu. My baba Tinaha, I criticize say my brother Kevin Taylor.
Yes. Waka. So Mahama moves the
I have said it.
And this is for the chair, Waka.
You understand?
Yeah.
Into Kevin Taylor, yet their oil now. Or full backing of NDC and the president.
And some NPP,
that's it.
Oh, okay, I think I get a point now. Okay.
Because Sabia would did attempt. Who did attempt? Na a cost ene obi say bibi mami. For one of our programs, you know. Osinana, one pound out to na nkofobika ABCD. Me wo baby o, but also ana nkofo ka diabona nkofo ka say make sure so obe fix it. Me ni na argue.
Of course, may address am. That makes you a leader.
Me ni na argue so there be na ho ni na me se mate. Why? Oba me so because when you say una ye programs manager. It is obi can be or air. He's expecting say with my caliber and experience, you know, I should call people to order.
I get it. But Kojo, it's not easy for Dr. Bawumia to do that.
It should be easy. That makes you a leader. My catches you a shadow president to come.
Okay. You
are a shadow president to come. Che, the entire ama Kennedy Agyapong. Abenwa benyam not because Kennedy Agyapong or holy you. Kennedy Agyapong one announce.
But on the one come
but Kennedy Agyapong will show leadership.
Alexander also Pamuri for the campaign.
And I'm saying Kennedy Agyapong, the difference between Kennedy Agyapong and Dr. Bawumia is that Kennedy Agyapong will tell you stop it. And you have to stop. But Dr. Bawumia, laissez-faire. I don't want to offend. Thank you. It's now Sir MC Ishmael, political mavis. Miaminia, you can say. Miaminia Coca. Accra Coca.
Okay.
Me share me say
pike and the trim.
They are some near cosway.
And I got me some the Kennedy and Yapa because na an interview no kan you.
And I me say na say uti. She me say Ken Japon be na no. The results now umunya in a bear west. Let them mess up.
Oh, I'm sorry, they were one individual.
Me say Ken Japon what shall say be na no. He unim na ayame ya on say ayame ya na say the entire so be hwamia. For almost a year, me make a comment about NPP.
What the we show so cry. Omoye because I say omunya attach kwa sell also with you.
So
Master Dipa.
I have never made any comment and then I down to a TV so
yeah, of course I get it.
Me sing NPP min come masam.
Go ka mundiana.
No min kan. Min kan because she empenyfo bebre wo NPP mo mu ni mi di nkomo.
Oh. I how mana.
Na me say empenyfo akese etitira omuni mi di nkomo a they pour their heart out.
Yeah, how omo.
A omo say nana MPP agu.
Oh. That cannot be.
Me say empenyfo akese wo MPP mu a they are worried about the leadership of Dr. Bawumia. Me say assembly wo homo nkan kire. But they feel that Dr. Bawumia is not listening. And because of the laissez-faire attitude, no, he's allowing certain people around him to dictate the pace. Untimi nye we Akufo ho. Untimi nye we Akufo Addo. Untimi nye. She, me who Dr. Bawumia Campaign leadership. The way a papa ni see discipline, no, Dr. Bawumia Campaign. Unye discipline untimi nye adwuma. Kakra me hu afri Dr. Bawumia Campaign. Say Dr. Bawumia Campaign na ye flag bearer ka be hu. Me sing sansem hunu na nkofo di nkobe stop no.
Eh, Kojo enough for more.
Me say Dr. Bawumia Campaign. What I have seen Kwabena Agyapong. Na Kwabena Agyapong kro ma kwan. Kwabena Agyapong so obedi di atem.
Onchima.
Massa. Obe discipline no. On fan ho. There was a time I used a certain word on air. Na me friend me ndi nkomo. Otwimanim.
Wow.
Otwimanim wo air. Ansa no ne me to aso. Unya san krofo na edutwum.
Omo na tretre no.
The point is that this is not the leader. I need to be blunt because Dr. Bawumia, he's the cause of all these things.
Oh, that's too loud.
It is once I am for Dr. Bawumia do obey the
He's the cause.
He's the cause.
I said you on the Kasa Kennedy inquest interview.
You see,
because I interviewed didn't talk
what I am saying that Dr. Bawumia, President John Mahama, Kojo Bonsu ni jinai.
Yeah.
Kojo Bonsu yede, onye ambassador.
Yeah, China.
Professor Joshua Alabi ni jinai.
Yeah. Joshua Alabi go or opposition yeah.
She say on the chairman of GCB.
Okay.
On President John Mahama money ye can say a campaign chairman.
Yeah, for campaign chairman, yes. A hand number was yes.
Me papa Kwabena Agyapong.
Honestly, he's working or any good human the other day.
Omuni standing you.
In fact, Kwabena Agyapong double crown put the year man be Asante Bediatuo minister.
Exactly.
Mahama be year man be Asante Bediatuo minister.
That is leadership. Eduru be bi omukeka munya ye nyato aba ni wie ya ken omunyina.
Akamu abom.
Amakomu abom. John Mahama, that's leadership. John Mahama am found so be ba ofie no be solve our problem no.
Wow.
Look at the leadership. What is so be making noise?
There be.
Anka Dr. Bawumia, you don't even allow anybody. You yourself wo hwa Kennedy Agyapong and maba. And me yene me nyina ti ofie. Ye bo ampese di ye bo tennis ye di agro. So the whole day,
ye resolve the issue.
Ye whole day ye go ofie.
But ko just so much here.
Me say nhyiamu no and na ye fake.
Ko just so okay fix.
Oh.
Fix say. O ma share meeting and say Kennedy catch up.
Na man say meeting ni dey.
Omo ope quiet time out.
And I'm so the enter o cancer.
Sir.
Because Kennedy Agyapong said Dr. Bawumia solve certain things that was solve around him. It won't me ma. And no be na me can say a fake no because the Kennedy Agyapong beka ye no ame ehu say enyoma hyanimu enti wo kosia na ti na me ka cho say san hyiamu no mkosia na Akufo Addo no na ye fake ensi
ade chime no be ya argument by ebam.
You see, the point is that ye betna ha ye nka de be ma why comfortable omuntimi nka, but we will come and say the nuances of everything that ye who behind the scenes. First, me, I wish, and I know that one day Dr. Bawumia be president.
Okay.
But Dr. Bawumia can only become president when he show leadership. Right now, he's not showing leadership. Because I will be a president, and you will never try and defend you. Are you serious? Party pan will do NPP party pan and open active communicators, political mavis, MC Ishmael, Coca, a fierce snagger.
A fierce snagger on your party communicator.
Oh, come on.
What it to social media?
And I'm say, Abronye,
that's why original chairman.
And I'm saying, these are the people communicating for you. Massa, no one just quite say. Waja
just MP. Kwabena Boateng.
Waja key people bia omu tofoma omu kasa. And this time, so become kasa communication this time. One minute kasa. And the 5 candidates no. Omni ase that che omaguso. I will discuss politics. Now Kwabena Agyapong discuss issues. For Dr. Bawumia. Why not? On the platform, NDC ni be betimi challenge Kwabena Agyapong. NDC ni be na se Kwabena Agyapong eno mu ye debate NDC ni bo de catch me.
Top of my meeting kabi.
Untimi se eba education NDC ni be betimi ne edutuma debate. Wo de fato so. Not even Haruna Idrisu can debate Educhum. Look at the garb as I say, Haruna Idrisu Chifanable. Look at the garb of Educhum. Chance we manka.
Yeah, okay.
Look at the garb Educhum. For Dr. Brian Champon tour as a businessman, as a security expert, as a hotelier.
Businessman when this about na match no.
Why would they can fatum? Omu send e bi adwuma. The only person about him that debate is Ibrahim Mahama. Ibrahim Mahama so may say.
Oh no, on communicator.
And to the Brian Champon see okay. Then you look at the capacity. So what the Buama, on our Patrick Buama din komwa. NDC ni kura ntimi nto ayampi ankyere no
because panina ni monyama kuta because maybe now interviews am Gyamfi or if that am we share FM And I was saying between Alan, that time premise between Alan and Dr. Bawumia. Why na omo NDC for them? Pero catch us say me kaipa. O say about omo kotun dey Dr. Bawumia na be wini. But when na kuma mu dey Alan dey osito no. What shey nka na cassette ya kra head.
Simple obube.
Yeah, o ka me kaipa some
say NDC for mu Bawumia baako. Na nimo hawo NDC for niba. I'm telling you. Me see na
obusuro ni tia.
Enyo musuro debi. In fact, NDC for bompire for Dr. Bawumia.
Say dey.
So mra.
Oh, musuro.
Me say sa omusuro no. And me catch omu say 2024 election na me ka say NDC for bompire say Dr. Bawumia. Na omu mpese any other candidate. Beba no musuro. Sir, I'm telling you.
But since that time no omo pe Dr. Bawumia because omo nim say the other candidate no omo nya match.
They knew so much me nya hwenka. And no binti na me catch us only Dr. Bawumia ba. Problem beba. NDC for tetew. Enti NDC for no tetew ya say Bawumia no say kai afa
tapes dey do so.
And nothing na me catch say hwe. Say same way. Denti a eya me kan wo and say there are people me twa omu na no tumfo ka bibi yewura odawma na no yewura ka kire na Akufo Addo say kai say me no wa London me no wa na ne nanso na no me ka kire say me mpe wa asem me bo ana
ezio
ema wo ka say da bi wunyi ni na no me kan ye na no nkrofo aka kire Dr. Bawumia say me mpe na asem
oh
but Bawumia nim say me penance.
You want the best for him.
Anka tie mi o de me kan ebe boa wo. She leader. Oma omini omi adwuma wa hemfi. They will tell you behind the scenes. The way uni agogo be catch you.
Yeah, agogo catch you. Eh was mu wi na mu ye post production meeting da. Oma wi omo bam nkora nketo nkro bi a kire na adwe eh. Na jantware obo.
Because there has to be that leadership. And on air, there are a lot of things that goes on.
Yeah, of course.
On that, no one say. Because I need to make sure that the show, it's behind the scenes, you know. Pressure me them from the production to Obia alert. Wow. Because you have to control the show. BBS here, who want him also. And you won't make us say, I'm Crawford will be any break left and right ever. Yes. That is leadership. Dr. Bawumia is not showing that leadership. This is the 5th time Amakasa publicly. You can't say, Obi can Dr. Bawumia some be attacking. Won't pay Dr. Bawumia some. You see, it is not about, it is about they make a dinner attempt. I critique. I am saying that and comfort to do no more way try no more NPP for no. They don't like the kind of leadership at Dr. Bawumia issue.
It's true.
They don't. Omon can't me say na no me catch no ma me no me take mu say nana cause na kan okra me MPP ni ba mon kan che Dr. Bawumia say de okay onim de ekoso ma me no minim no but oni me e no ka asem ni che
e de okwadwo
minim ma me bia ope oton wadro kitikiti oba me no say nana na me mpe wa asem me MPP ni pa na me tie wo nhira no me say wo NDC me mpe wa asem say na me nsem e ba nchen ye lusu wie na hu sa o kanokre
hey
ma me no ne number wa ha
o se ye lusu wie no hu sa o kanokre
ma me no number ni ma me no number ni
say ata no mo pa wan de o
ka no do to ai
oh wow
o se ye lusu wie no
hu sa o kanokre
na hu sa o kanokre se me ye MPP ni ya nkofo behind the scene na na se o kasa ye beti
oh kwajo
because it wa
Akojo nema ekoso ide Dr. Bawumia be dia ma no say
for instance
kwajo
yeah
almost Kennedy radio party omo mpamo no
hwe me ne ya nka maka che obi anya nsehunu na amodi no
ono wa Dr. Bawumia
Kennedy minia mo bi anja mo bi make comments I will know how to handle him
be so so party no ha party
and I'm so on her party no
almost so ha party no kasa ba kwa
no
there is miracle say omanya NDC omo NDC yan with cocoa electricity tariff na dey ade omu yan so ko kasimo in the last 5 days and now be Kennedy
Agyapong the clouds of Kennedy Agyapong.
I almost watch party
no and now when you be ade any okasa I to say okasa na Gyamfi anyo bia also okasa na ye problem
Oh, okay.
Do you get it?
Yeah.
Utimi ka MPP for itimi ka na oye hwan e na oye. Okasa na ye problem. Na Gyamfi anyo obi anso otra de to a na ho po.
Na ho me.
What you say? I say emu aye di. Ma me kwaka bibi wo eyi platform ne so ne engaze o na Gyamfi asisi. You know what will happen?
Of course.
You understand?
Yeah.
Other people can talk about it, but na Gyamfi akasa, there will be a problem. Why? Because we won't pen no credit. Me say, can me ni eyi ameka se munyai.
Kennedy Munya.
Kennedy.
Me ne never do 2028.
Munyai no. Enyoma ha nintia. Mo me express it.
Kojo unim say lady am akwa na ba oye mo social show ye fe ne say.
Hini ni adazo.
Good. Oya ade bi. Owo ne fi dada mu no. Me tie sa show pa. Ana also wo show mo na Captain Smart e ne call show ko horo no.
Yeah.
Ko di o matam bo di kuma se mo ye sa show no fire no nti Kojo obi a twen say ohini ni so aba fire Captain Smart back. Ade choba no de oye. O say hey bro Kojo nwa fani e no e te say wo di matam horo me. Owi ya na me friend na me ka chen say Kojo. Na no ade say wo di matam say. Ana also de ya no e de afutu no de sere. Ko he comment say people were expecting her to attack Captain Smart. But obey sa so me anuafo na ade ntiro. I think say bi na wo kasa nka wo say Dr. Bimiaye no. Unya be kasa papa man nchiri ma nyina hu say Kennedy ye unua ntu wo kwama no kwa wasa wo twaso. Dabi
ntumi so wo ho. Samira nie, me mani nie, ena wo ho ne ebedidi. Yesu Kristo. O se Chaós nchen. Ena metna.
Na metna.
Unchen na metna.
But is Kennedy still relevant in the party?
He's super relevant. And I'm say
are you not exaggerating?
I am not. Me say Kennedy tin who king. And na Kennedy miana no Kenya. A bear west. Alan already the biako. And I've told you say it's not about 3,000 or 8,000 or whatever you. It is about the people are apathy setting in because of Alan.
Silent majority.
Because I say MPP ye MPP no. Eya Akufo. And people align Kofo, Alan with Kofo.
Yeah, it's true.
What do you say?
Yeah,
it's a typical MPP person na Akufo Addo ntia. E ye do or do President Kofo. And let me tell you, it was even difficult for MPP to accept Akufo Addo.
Hey.
I'm telling you the history today. Kofo ni mo nyam ne ferry entina. The typical Ashanti MPP no. Now so mo fa. Because the typical Ashanti MPP no, they were in for Alan. Maminka secret.
Yeah.
Because Nana Akufo Addo bear moi. Oma so CD ye wo Alan say Alan. Cry baby. Ya no afri mu.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.